Listen, fix the country they didn't avoid Shatawale the country so we illiterate because you are just making noise. I know for a fact that OMCs in Ghana owe government 600 million. Wow. You look at that. Let's close down OMCs, oil marketing companies, to say we don't sell South. These companies owe government 600 million. Wow. There is a company called G&G. Almost all the company 24 million. Wow. When you are saying something fix the country, let's bring the country go and take the money from G&G. Close it down. Who owns G&G? And it's not just G&G. A lot of them, like Kevin Taylor was talking about it. And you go to Kevin Taylor's video, and somebody is insulting Kevin Taylor.
Yes, sir.
You don't even know that Ghana has been decentralized and we are practicing local government. Why must we still count house to house? You must count at the amount of so on your national ID. Senko Sasika or the national ID. Senko or your national identification district offices. And no man every district district assembly man will be an idea. And how can you spend 500 million kind of know the fact, don't be an illiterate and just shout fix the country. Fix what the fuck you want to be fixed. You don't even understand the facts on the ground. You are just making noise. And that is what Shatawale is telling you. You don't know what you're talking about. And Shatawale said that they are educated. You are not even educated. You are very ignorant. You don't know. You are just shouting. Deal with the issues. There are 15 members of every unit committee. 10 appointed, 10 elected, 5 appointed. Every Ghana, Sahoka Krana Yatu Abano, polling station area. There are 2 units. Each unit has 15 people representing government there. Wow. Which means that there are 30 people in that small area. And you are still shouting, fix what? They are there in that area. Those 30 people in that small police station area don't know how many people were born, don't know how many people died. So that after 10 years, you have to put so much money together to count. Why can't those people give that information? And it is in the Constitution, Article 240, decentralization and local government. Go and read. People don't read, they just make money. Come on, man. Bruh, your bank can ask hustlers over here. Bruh, me, local government act. I can close my eye and tell you everything that's in the local government act. Yes. Bruh, me, I can't kind of
Because I think
I was just making noise. But when I went to Gempa and I started getting educated, I was like, where? Really? I have studied negotiations skills at the University of Ghana Business School. Dr. Adam, wow, don't just make noise. Understand the facts.
That's what said. We actually don't understand, the psychology behind any particular issue now. You now be able to come up with the suitable solution.
And I'm going to be some PhD or something. I'm saying, no, but yes, I be happy. You know, you be the keke. Obia say again, I say. Then me a video. I told you what does it take to create a metropolitan assembly in Ghana? What does it take to create a municipal assembly? What does it take to create a district assembly? Under the district, what do we have? Under the metropolitan, look, what are the smallest units? Before you create an area as a metropolitan area, the Constitution states clearly that you have to have 250,000 people living in that area. When it comes to metropolitan, it has to be 95,000. When it comes to district assembly, it has to be 75,000. And apart from that, the area should be able to be economically viable, to be able to create, sustain themselves. At the same time, the district assembly should be able to have its own governance. So this district assembly must have a speaker. The speaker is called a presiding member. Every electoral area must have a representation. The person must speak to the people in the area and bring their concerns to the district assembly. Look, the Local Government Act is a very beautiful policy, act. But you don't understand. You don't understand. You don't want to learn. You just want to shout. How can you, and before, if you don't understand governance, and you are not in there, you can't solve the problem. I could for the see from the neck. Yeah, you're done. I'm saying, Masa, but to talk about.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Mommy, I'm kind of correct.
Yeah.
And you know, young support you, young swing, young elevate you to some level. Said, but yeah, guy, a baby, as you said, Mommy and your mind, your woman will be able to say, your woman. It's not just about making noise.
I agree. The fool said, what I see is I fool said, young people have detached themselves from leadership in Africa for a very long time. You know, leadership has never been a thing for young people in Africa.
No, bro, it's not true.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, but now we can't send the actual. Yeah, but now we can't send the actual. What is the president doing this thing?
I mean, not president, but you know, he took over the country at 32.
Good.
Yeah.
Hey, this guy, what's his name? Sierra Leone. Valentine's Tracer. Who is he? 25.
Yeah, that guy was very young.
Valentine's Tracer, 25. Yeah. Ron is very president.
And I will say, you know, they came through the military.
And they had the power to tell Rollins for 3 years, not catching the whole Ghana, so Upianda. For 3 years, to catch the whole Ghana, so Upianda. And now the Ghana was all.
And that was exactly what I was. This conversation I was having with one of my friends in the UK. He said, Rollins really missed that opportunity.
No, Rollins for 19 years, 32 years will be this. Rollins is very president. The oldest person in the government, we are Fino, the friend of Sofo Comfort Damwa.
Maybe
or no, he was 52 years there.
Yeah,
and he was part of the PNDC.
Yeah, we can't go for
Bruh, I can kind of you.
Yeah.
He came with, and I think that the oldest person was Justice D.F.
Yeah, D.F. was quite old.
Yes. D.F. was quite old.
So
no, Catholic bishop. And was started African mission. The Ghana African mission, no, you also for comfort and one. The guy who said that we young age as well.
Yeah. And it's quite sad because 19 years this man could have transformed Ghana.
We need to be watching the TV or being boys when you are young guys, they couldn't do nothing. Then you buy your who share and prepare. Make up President Kufuor and saying, brother, guy, I went to President Kufuor, I went to him in the house. We sat down. President Kufuor spoke like 1 hour. Kwame, democracy now when young, unsomuye. Na dachi, nipa ba kubi be pimo, obese sa omai. Moye dede no moye na mani tete ho enye sa moye na akwabi e petu de moye dede nyina na ku oman no tension abamu na o afetu no de ayeku na watena so obesa che mokura tu tina make catch up in country for ne say masa oh yeah do mahama no chechire ne se bulechi ye ru pese otu MPP no problem but make sure say do mahama no oba no obeduru ho no not still youth who have power
Yes.
And then you just youth, the new generation of youth. Yes. I just also make it so that I can make plans. Maybe if you have, bro, but my catch on my channel. If you have Dallas, Dallas I call California, California I call Las Vegas. If I call Ghana, Ghana the next week we call London. Right? No problem with that. The accounts of General Mutia and family home. And now you're saying the youth must take over youth. But defense minister, and you have been waiting 41 or 44. But defense minister, obey the defense minister, no unit 30s.
Who's the defense minister?
Need to on your obey the defense minister, no need 30 something.
Is he
39 or so?
Is he a military guy?
No. Abaya youth for be
quite a few.
Then I'm here. Abuja Boya, Minister for Natural Resources and Wine. As a zoo, on your Minister for West and Housing. Mahama, a Camille's time, no, who get a black panel for super, only ministers. Agent, but only ministers. That Ben, I didn't want to say, the youth, Ghana, you being a youth. So, if you're talking about youth, it should be a new generation of thinkers. Yes, youthful people are being right.
You're right. Patrick Bois, I get name Bois, and you know, call in the same. You know, they're actually my genius. Yeah, quite young. Yeah, part is my classmate, but the agent is my genius. Yeah, and then they're all in there, but it's you're right. A whole new generation of thinkers. You know, a whole new generation of thinkers because when you look at how I mean the state of our nations in Africa over 60 years of independence and some of the basic challenges that we have now. It's sad. I mean, high because
what kind of one thing? As some what kind of because you know, maybe can't for one to meet tomorrow. Oh, if you are my baby, no, per se, come as soon as many grass take care away in this annual man. But make me a kind of free because bro, 2016, me not for the worst second hotel, no be any home. I mean, no,
I know.
Yeah, it's me. I don't need a hope. Yeah, bro. 2008, 13 years ago, many kind of Florida and finance minister there. Any Nana Poko, changing nature, Nana Poko. You know, Cochidia Papa. The Cochidia Papa Manado. You back to a canal for 2 years. No, you know, the Boko to Po. What cannot say, plus we win election, Mama, we go, Rebecca said, and then we if it to be a problem, but never be able. 2016, Tama Menado Tanya organized a plan for the whole campaign. No be any hole. Tama Menena never Tanya Yakoto Sugaho, Sugapeno. No be any hole. The Media may work and we are winning a problem. I have maybe Yari and Net, here catching another A plus with young emergency at the headquarters of the family. Yeah, maybe or said, look at which I prefer to be here. No, what Jimmy? What Jimmy? We are a pastor on how this can do. Now, me catch it or say, I could put a minimum panel, but when you some man, I will say, hey, one just say, you depend Jimmy, tell her, be and I can go as a be near Jimmy, catch a billion. The governor, Jimmy said, say, I could put a welcome name. I could follow you, opinion, that's one country gonna put that and you're breaking his campaign. Oh, yeah, that's all. Opinion, I saw that. Now, me catch also mining queen, woman, yeah, who also wig a boy. It's sad, it's really sad. It's about, you know, like I said, continue speaking. Ever talk soon, that you know, ever talk soon. It's not going to take. It's not going to take overnight, but I'm not awesome because like I said, you know, watching some of the videos and, you know, people just making references to some of the things that you've said in the past that people were not paying attention. I feel that when they're pursuing their classes, I said, you know, with the access of the internet, I got and the home for the rest of it. Of lifetime, maybe even better. But I also believe that in the panel, those that are pushing that, they are not really the game changers. Game changers need a credit, and you know the game changers will have to understand that there are people that are pretty now, and then there are other, you know, people that want to see change in Ghana doing. A bedroom baby, some of they're just going to be following because they're just followers. Why do you think none of them have been able to start anything? Then they have become a say, I don't care if you don't like A-Glass, I don't care if you don't like Evan Taylor, I don't care if you don't like any other person. Start something on your own. Have you started anything? So when Jimmy Pa said you're ready for the whole year, the question is, what are you doing? Have you started anything? And see,
media are all about support. Say a Kevin Taylor, say a one.
Jonas.
It is a media misses support, so now they support to say a crime be a person, baby, is any means necessary, right? It will be a strategy, let's bring it all together. All these forces that are coming together, especially for the diaspora, trust me, it will all come together for good. One day, a leader will emerge. A leader will emerge out of it. It's, young people, the young people are the ones that I'm very concerned about. Not the older folks. Say, Momo, Famo, and yet, the idea, the last 30, 40 years, and you. So, what's Ghana? Now say you say Ghana is a good country. I know Ghana is a good country.
I won't tell you.
So yeah,
and can for because was bienta.
Ghana is not a great country like that. If you want to inquire, and also Ghana is a great country. No, Ghana is not a great country. No, what is great about the place? South Sudan, be on board, so be on your thing. But you don't have electricity. You don't have good drinking water. You have to pay to shit.
That be all. Pay to shit no problem. What up pure water? 50 pesos. We you so 3 times. We you so could be 50. So no means 50 pesos. We the you so 20 pesos cry. Let us say no means so could be we you so 60. What about cat time?
It's not a poor who are some for do so and also who go back as someone so. I was for they began and yes, so what to choir over so we are not trying to, obviously we can compare, but we are not expecting say Ghana better than it maybe this America overnight. But all we are saying is that it has to start from somewhere. Yeah, can we say if we say J.J. Wallace, it taking over the country since 1981, I was for or mining for the new and for those that keep saying, say, Ghana is a peaceful country, Ghana is not a peaceful country. Ghana is a place where people are not allowed to voice their opinion. But if you happen to allow them, they will start shaking something. Ghana is not a peaceful country. Ghana is on a time bomb. Ghana, trust me, this day is going to come and this is going to blow up in all of us, our faces. And Ghana for the attempt of Ghana for children could do baby and they have no choice but to fight.
Liberia, no open DJ will be
like one of the paid DJ Liberia for Liberia party. And so when push came to show with the fought. And Mama me and Ghana, it's not let's push for change. Let's let's rally for with a third force to really deal with this NPP NDC issue, because the last 40 years, now I'm saying, Rollins by 40 years ago. Kwame 40 years in 1981. Let me apply. 40 years now the same one. A miracle. A miracle.
When's been ready for
40 years, Kwame. 40 years old. I'm saying, wow. Mommy, it's not benefiting anybody.
What will happen? John Mahama and the election. Did they end this time? I have governor
Everyone, that's how it's going to be.
That's how it's going to be. Did that we at the end of the day, John Mahama will win the election. No one starts another day. Because also buy a room fee. Hey, and I'm catch you can send your mommy and boom. Yeah, they didn't know. Okay, John. Is it will win the election there? How will stand? Would they be a woman or honor the person of the mind? NDC in stand or catch a woman as a woman to mind. Make concessions. Unimans and change Jewish for. Jewish for 7 different parties. Abum. Chalemani and Bumi and Netanyahu. Oma Bometu. So, me made president, prime minister 2 years. Me we also be we are also be. Omu na come home. Na say we see what they were Ghana. Unim say they didn't know we eden ya John Mahama be win election in 2024 enti we no nim nyansa say fix the country any TPP any hwan any gumu sawan gum de bia wo ni ye ba wumia na ba wumia nge say usu election mutumi win enti ade tina nde wo